So this is the Oraimo Watch 5, and in this video is an unboxing video and everything you need to know about this watch. So this is the Oraimo Watch 5, as I said earlier, and as you can see, there are some specifications here right on the box. Now you are getting a watch with a 2.1-inch HD full touch screen, also anti-scratch Panda glass, 10.8mm ultra thin, and the last feature here is blood oxygen and heart rate monitoring. Now this is expected to last 7 days, which as you can see up to 7 days of usage time. Right on the box you do get the model number, HD calling. Let's go ahead and have the box open and see what you get in the box. So you are first greeted with this text: discover endless possibilities and keep exploring. And so inside here is a manual welcome guide. So everything you need to know to be able to set up the watch is right here. But well, I'm here to help you out, so I don't think this will be needed. And the next thing is you are greeted with the watch. Okay, let's take this off first. And this is the Oraimo Watch 5. You peel this sticker off to reveal the screen. And as you can see, this looks very nice. A 2.1-inch screen on here. Our first impressions, I think this wristband, it feels very soft. It doesn't feel cheap as well. It feels very soft, and I think I like it. You get the Oraimo branding here. So on the back of the watch is the heart rate monitoring sensor, the Oraimo brand name and the model number with a few details. On the side, there's nothing, just the knob. And on this side, you do get the speaker, and that's it. Now what else do we get in the box? So the next thing you do get here is a charger, and this is how you get to charge your Oraimo Watch 5. You attach it like this and the Oraimo Watch 5 should start charging. This is 10.8mm thin, and as you can see, it looks very nice. First impressions, I think I really like this. And let's see how the screen would be able to resist micro scratches as well. They said it's anti-scratch, so this has the Panda protection, or it has the Panda glass. Now the first thing I'll advise you do before using the watch is to make sure you charge it to 100% to start using the watch. But I'm going to go ahead and show you how to have this set up once you get yours. So a long press for like 3 seconds should turn on the watch, and just like that, you finally powered on the Oraimo Watch 5. Now on your device, you can head over to the App Store. So you make sure you install this app onto your device. Once you have it installed, you select open. It's going to bring you to this page. I think I've already logged in, so you might be greeted with the login page. So you have to log in, or rather create a new account if you don't have an account already. Now the next thing you want to do to be able to connect your watch to the app is to come here, then you tap on the plus icon here, then you select via QR code. Now you allow the necessary permissions to help the app work perfectly. And you scan just like this. And as you can see, this is connecting. Okay, you tap on pair, and this is going to complete the process. You can allow access to contacts. You'll be able to view your contacts from the watch here if you want to. And this is how to easily set up. So as you can see, the Oraimo Watch 5 is connected, and we have 80% battery. This is going to tell you everything you need to know about the watch. You can change your dial faces, you can change your watch faces, and there are a plethora of them here you can select from. Simple, business, personality, pointer, you can see sports data, and there's a whole lot. You can tweak settings here if you want to, and also try out features. You even get to create a watch face using AI when you tap on create dial, and this is going to allow you to create any watch face using AI. So you can just tap here, then you enter in your prompt, and it's going to generate that watch face based on the prompt you've inputted. Also, there are a few settings here you might want to turn on as a new user. So you tap here, sync with phone notifications, then you make sure you have these turned on. You allow the necessary permissions, you tap the switch to have it enabled, you select allow, then you tap here as well. So if you get any notifications, when you turn on sync phone messaging, any notifications you do get on your device is going to show up on the Oraimo Watch 5. Quick run through. So it has the raise to wake feature, and as you can see, so once you bring your hand up, it's going to turn on automatically. You can have the timeout screen set so it stays on long before it goes off. And A swipe down will show you your quick settings, so you can decrease and increase the brightness here. A swipe up from the down shows you if you have any new messages on the watch. And well, this is the unboxing of the Oraimo Watch 5. If you have any questions concerning the watch, please let me know down in the comment section so I'll be able to answer in my full review. Stay safe.